How to fix stuttering in games on Windows. Stuttering is different from a low frame rate. Your average might look fine while the experience is unpleasant because individual frames arrive late. Here's how to find the cause. First, distinguish types. Regular stutter every few seconds usually means background activity or shader compilation. Random stutter suggests a driver or thermal issue. Stutter only during the first playthrough of a level is the shader cache building, and it improves. Now the checks. Watch temperatures during play, since thermal throttling causes exactly this. Check whether your drive is at full activity, because streaming assets from a slow disk stutters badly. Close overlays capture software and browser tabs. Disable background recording in the gaming settings. Set the power plan to best performance and remove any frame rate limiter fighting with vertical sync. Update graphics and chipset drivers. And if you use variable refresh rate, confirm it's enabled on both the monitor and the driver.